Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome on my channel. So today we are back with a new hair video. So I'm showing you how I got this sleek low ponytail using some clip-ins extension. Yeah, you heard it right, clip-ins extension on my hair. So yeah, I actually wanted to make something a little bit different, so for that purpose I used some clip-ins. I used the kinky curly yaki hair that is in the style coarse yaki. I'll have the link to that hair in the description box, so don't worry about that. Stay there. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I actually made this hairstyle. So if you like it, don't forget to like and comment, say that you actually like it, and share it with all your friends. And yeah, that's it. So I am gonna show you the tutorial, guys. So bye. Okay, so I'm gonna start with two braids, one on each side. So I already have a video on how I actually do my braid, my cornrows. So I'm gonna put that link to the video down in the description box, or I'm gonna put it like up there so that you can just click it. But yeah, so I'm starting off with two braids. So I'm going to remove my elastic first, then unravel my braids. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, let's continue with the video. So I'm just gonna take my comb and I'm just gonna detangle it so that it can be big. It's basically my braid out routine on relaxed hair. That's actually the same thing that I'm gonna do for that. Okay, so now my hair is the way I want it to be, so it's all big and fluffy, so I'm gonna keep it like that. So then I'm going to take my extensions that is from Kinky Curly in the coarse yaki style. So I actually already braided. I'm gonna put the clip on what I did to these clip-ins before, the day before, so I'm gonna show you that right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just going to remove my elastic and pass the comb through the hair as well so that it can be big like mine. Okay. So actually it's been a long time since I used clip-ins. The last time that I used it was like a year and a half ago, when I was still transitioning to go from relaxed to natural, because I was cutting my hair a little bit at the time, so my hair was getting shorter than what I am used to, and at first I didn't feel comfortable with that length, so I bought these clip-ins. But since I got the relaxer back, I didn't use it anymore, so it's gonna be weird to actually have clip-ins, like fake hair on my hair. So yeah, look what it looks like when the braids are removed. Like, it really looks like my hair. Let me show you. If I pass the comb through it like that, like, it's the same thing as my hair. I really like it. Even though I have relaxed hair, it can match mine, so I'm really happy with that. Okay, so guys, if you know any other hair company that has clip-ins that you really like, please put the name of it in the comments. I actually would like to try some other clip-ins companies. I think that I want to go back to clip-ins and more fun hairstyles. So yeah, you can put the name of the company down in the description box, and maybe I'll try some and do some reviews about it. So you can put ones that you actually didn't even try, but you heard many good things about it, and maybe I'm gonna be trying it for you, okay? Okay, so I got my hair here, so I am just gonna pass the comb through it to make it fluffy and big. Ah, it's so soft. So yeah, okay, the curl pattern is not looking quite the same, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna work with that, okay? So now I am just gonna take my bottle of water, and I'm gonna spray that everywhere, just on top of my hair. And then I am going to take my Curl Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout cream. So I'm just gonna apply that as well at the top of my hair, just because I don't like to put my gel directly on my hair. So I am gonna put that first to protect and moisturize my hair. So I'm gonna do a low ponytail, so I'm just dragging on my hair at the bottom, and then I am gonna take my brush and smooth everything. Okay, so now it's time to apply my clip-ins. So I got one that has 3 clips, some that have 2 clips, so I am just gonna apply that everywhere at the back of my head. So first I'm gonna take a 2 clip and apply that at the bottom. Like, it doesn't have to be part like perfectly, because anyways nobody's gonna see it. Well, we hope so. Nobody's gonna see it. So I'm just gonna try to put as much as I can so that my ponytail can be all big and juicy. Okay, so now that's basically my hair here. It's like actually the same length as my real hair, or maybe a little bit longer. Yeah, just like a little bit, because this is my real hair and this is a clip-in. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get some longer clip-ins, but anyways, it's making it fuller. So now I'm gonna go back with my brush again, smooth out everything even more. And do a ponytail. But this is not gonna be like my final ponytails, just to be able to put on gel. So I'm taking my Eco Styler gel with argan oil. Well, actually my mom's Eco Styler gel with argan oil. So yeah. To smooth everything in. And then I'm gonna go back with my brush. I just want to wipe my hands first. So yeah, now going back with my brush, smoothing everything even more, making sure that all the tracks are covered. Make it even tighter. Gonna fluff it up a little bit more. Ooh. Final step, I'm gonna do my baby hair. Yeah, so then if you want to, you can put on a scarf to tie it so that it can be laid even more flatter. But for my hair that is already relaxed, I don't feel that it's necessary, so it's already looking as I want it to be. So yeah, and if you want to, you can take a piece of hair and roll it over your elastic, but I actually feel that it's more natural when you see the elastic. I don't know if that made sense, because I feel like when you roll some hair around your elastic, it feels like it's fake hair. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's my personal opinion. So yeah, this is the hair. The back of it, the other side. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Let me know what other hair video or makeup video that you want to see next. You can write it in the comments down below, and don't forget to comment what's your favorite hair company for clip-ins. Okay, I don't want no wefts thing. No, I want clip-ins. Okay, so write me down in the comments. So if you want to see another video from me, don't forget to watch the last one that I just posted. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another one. Bye guys.